Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today we are here at Hollywood Studios with no plan. We're going to see what it's like to just let the day take you where it will. It is something that you don't normally do here at Disney, but we're going to do it today. So come with me, I got you, let's go do this. Just a little ambiance as we now normally, in full disclosure, if I have no plan and I'm coming in here, I'm probably going to start the day with a coffee, but there is about 8 of us in the group today, and everybody's wanting to go get in line for something. So we're headed over to Toy Story Midway Mania, which I love. I just would love it even more with a nice Americano in my hand.
Welcome to Slinky Dog Day. I'm Slinky Dog. Now, for your safety, remember...
I am really regretting not getting that coffee earlier because we decided to go ahead and get the longest line of the day out of the way. A full 65 minutes-ish in line for Slinky Dog Dash. I could have had a coffee this whole time, and you can't see me anyway. I could have had a coffee. Oh, yeah, look. This is the love I get. That's the love I get as their father who brings them to Disney often. No love. But I am going to get to ride Slinky Dog. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Hang on. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Me.
You got troubles, and I got them too. There is anything I wouldn't do for you. We stick together, we can see it.
You got a friend with me. All right, we are off Slinky Dog. Who knows what we're doing next? I'm just going to take you along with us. Cafe latte. Coffee in hand, and now it's time to school these folks in some Toy Story Midway Mania. And you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed. Despite what all these people will tell you, me and Teddy are having to ride together because we're just too good to be in the car with anyone else. we rack up those scores too high, so they've exiled us together, which is fine. You have the greatest in all the world in one cart.
And I'm not wearing shorts or flip-flops.
There is some peanut gallery chirping over there, but they know the real reason. Look, it's Terry. Oink, oink. Here we go.
What side do you want?
I'm good with either side. Maybe let me go in far.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right, what we gonna do? Fall out?
I know. Choose your weapon. I want these lights for just to hang around my house.
Yeah, those are cool. They got some of those at Home Depot now. They're huge. They're like 2 foot tall, 3 foot tall.
Oh God!
It's like $30 or $40 a piece.
I would take. Pro tip on this: don't wear yourself out on the practice round.
Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome to our practice day.
Just pull the string!
Look at those pies. Coming in fast. I think they've
All
got the
right,
hang of
see
it.
you on the
Wait,
flip
wait,
side.
everyone.
Okay, so me and Teddy, ours were every third pull was it working, and like the pull knob would get stuck out, and you'd have to like wiggle it to get it to pull back in. So unfair.
Likely story. That's what you said last time when I met you.
These people.
Likely story.
These people. Ask Teddy. We knew it in the practice round. We were screwed with it. The things weren't pulling right.
You don't want me. I'm almost 38.8.
Happy birthday, sir! Drop one,
Of course, you cannot come to Hollywood Studios without taking the crew to see the fastest hunk of junk in the galaxy, the Millennium Falcon. I love walking through the market. Just take it in, look around. You don't even have to buy anything. Yeah, my favorite coffee drink is over there. He's leaving. Just missed him. You never know who you're gonna see. There's my cat's namesake, Mando. Mando, the Mandalorian Maine Coon. I mean, he's not a Maine Coon. My cat is. All right. Star Tours it is. Only a 5-minute wait. It's basically a walk-on. This has an awesome, awesome queue though, especially if you're a Star Wars fan. But here we go. It is a little
The
jerky.
Vault and Unplaced Baggage Center is located on level 1. Bags may only be claimed by showing a receipt to a spaceport baggage attendant during regular operating hours. Thank you.
Thank you. I am C-3PO, Human Cyborg Relations. Actually, I'm not. I'm Chase with American Vintage Adventures.
Attention, please. All droids leaving the system must be cleared by customs control. Proof of ownership is required for all droid passengers.
Proof of ownership? We droids are made to suffer such indignities.
See you on the flip side. Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Mistake. I am
We
C-3PO.
know you have this rebel spy on board.
I've never seen that human before. Thank you.
Go to the estimate right now. I want that spy.
Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey, we got to go to Chewie's home planet, Kashyyyk, in that one. Hadn't seen that one before. We got to go to Chewie's home planet. His home planet is called Kashyyyk. It's never said in the movies, though, to my knowledge. But pretty cool. Saw some space whales. Saw Darth Vader, Ahsoka. Akbar. It was fun. Now we have a big reservation tonight at Mickey's, Chef Mickey's, and I'll be covering that too. So we're trying not to eat a ton today here at Hollywood Studios, but we stopped in the ABC commissary because there is a wide variety of stuff in here. You can get a little bit smaller bites, like I'm getting a kid's chicken salad sandwich just to have some protein, a little something on the stomach, because we still got about 6 hours till our reservation. But I'm not starving either, and you want to save up for those big buffets and eat your money's worth, or at least as close to it as possible. So ABC Commissary, come in here, check it out. Got a nice little wide range of stuff. A nice little kid size or snack sized chicken salad sandwich. Chicken salad's good. The bun, not as much. A nice little snack. Get a drink with it. See you later. All these people have kept me from Tower of Terror all day, but no more. It's going down. It is time for the Tower of Terror. Only a 15-minute wait. It's been bouncing between a 15 and 20-minute wait all day, even when other stuff's really building up long. So it's meant to be. All right. We survived. Hold on one second. We got to look around in here just for a second. We survived it. It was hard to keep our eyes open because it's so bright outside still. It's so dark in there. But that was fun. Lana survived. She was a little nervous, a little sketch. But and then when she gets off, she's like, I do love that ride. Tower of Terror has that effect. So Logan just said goodbye to Rock and Roller Coaster. It's getting rethemed to Muppets. It is his favorite roller coaster, his favorite ride here, and it's getting rethemed. How do you feel about that? No comment. No comment. While we like the Muppets, he loved the Rock and Roller Coaster. It's one of the early roller coasters that he rode, and now it's going away. But the ride is going to be the same, but not the same at the same time. And I think if they were going to do that, as much as I love the Muppets, maybe Wreck-It Ralph would have been cool, huh? Because we do love some Wreck-It Ralph, and he gets no love. But saying goodbye to Rock and Roller Coaster, a classic. It has been an action-packed day here. In only about 6 hours at Hollywood Studios, we did Slinky Dog, Toy Story, we did Star Tours, we did Rock and Roller Coaster, we did Tower of Terror, we ate at the ABC Commissary. We've gone in and shopped at a couple of shops. I mean, making good use of the time here. Walked through the market, checked out Star Wars Land, took some pictures, got some PhotoPass photos, all kinds of stuff. Like I said, no big plan today, but it worked out. And you gotta have days like this. You know, you gotta have days where you just go and have fun and enjoy it old school style. And that's what we did today, and I hope you enjoyed it too. If you have, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I do appreciate it so much. I love sharing all these adventures with you. And until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.